Good morning everyone. Today we are going to study about package. Package is a collection of related modules. You can either import a package or create your own. The main difference between a module and package is that package is a collection of modules and has an init.py file. Like see here I am creating a package. To create the package, first of all, you have to type one command, and this is the command: import os.make directory, name of the package is a directory. You can say it's a directory which contains different modules inside it. So when you will type this command, then your directory will be created. Like if I am writing here in place of some geometry, then this geometry directory will be created as like this. Here you can see geometry directory. Geometry is the directory. This directory will be created. So when this directory will be created, inside this directory we will create our different modules. So first I am telling about what is this init.py file. Init.py file is basically used to initialize the Python packages. init.py is simply a file that is used to consider the directories on the disk as package of Python. And one more thing I want to tell you, what are the advantages of packages or libraries. Library or packages are a way of structuring Python's module namespace by using dotted modules names. Now here you see, first of all, init file, what is that? I will explain it later. First see two modules, area.py. Here simply I have defined a function. You can see rect area to find out the area of rectangle. The formula will be L into B. Another module I have created here, volume. In this, just I have taken volume, simple volume of anything. L into B I have written. You can take any other volume also. It is just an example. Now after creating these two module, area module and volume module, how to call this in a new program through the package, how can call this modules functions. So see, for that, as I told, init.py file is very important. In this file, what you have to do, you have to write this code. What is written here? From area import rake area. Area is the name of the module and rake area is the function name. Similarly, from volume is the name of the module and vol is the function. So how many modules you have created and all the modules function you have to import here, so that when I will import this package geometry, all the modules inside it and their function can be called. Now I am making another file, that is new.py. Here it is the final file where I will get my output. So what I have to do, I have to import that package. I have to all the modules of that package from the geometry package. So we have to write this code: from geometry import volume comma area. Volume is the name of the first module and area is the name of another second module. Now as you see, area dot rect area. Rect area is the function of area module. See here, rect area. So rake area I have called here. Then volume dot vol. Vol is the function of volume module. So you can see the advantage of package is what, as I told, it is a collection of modules. Since geometry is the package, it is a collection of various modules like volume and area, and the function which are reside on that modules that we can call directly through this. Means you have to give the name of the module dot function name of the module dot function name. In this way you can understand package. More definition and details will be given, but through this example you can understand better way